on to portrait. What? Should be portrait. 15. Alright, here's my latest Lego set collection I bought. I finally got the red RV, the Volkswagen T1 camper van. I got it. Got it from eBay. A lot of parts. 1,334 parts. The box a little bit damaged, but it doesn't matter. I'm going to build it eventually. I have the light now. I still need to figure out how to do the mic. So hopefully I'm coming in good, hopefully. And I also got this from eBay. The 3-pack. Join the Skywalker adventure. Got the land speeder and the other two. Lego set 6674 Sky Adventure pack. Has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minifigures. Maybe I'll build this, maybe I won't. Probably just build the land speeder. That's the reason I really got it. I also got this from eBay. And I got this from Plano Bricks and Minifigs. In Plano, Bricks and Minifigs in Plano. Because I was going to spend $170 just for the gift with purchase. So this is a reasonable price over there. So I bought it over there. Also bought this from Bricks Minifigs in Plano. The special limited edition Black Widow. Taskmaster ambush set number 77905, which I'll put a comment on my description below. I think I'll probably just keep this one sealed for now. I'll keep it sealed for now at least. I also got this one, Plano Bricks Minifigs. Bricks Minifigs Plano. Race speeder. Set number 75099. Small, quick build. Also got this one, the Rebel Scout Speeder, 7668. And this is 2008. I finally got this from Lego.com. Took a little while because it was out of stock or back ordered. Set number 40558, little battle pack. Battle pack on it. So I still need to experiment with my mic. I'll probably do that later on today or tomorrow. But yeah, that's what I got so far. And the progress on the T2 camper. Coming along good too. So hopefully I'll have this finished this weekend maybe. If not, it'll be next week. Just I got details, just trying to be careful with it. And this time I'm using my light. I still need to fiddle with a little bit more. Now here's the bottom of it. Alright. Some just broke. Okay, where did he break from? still there. Where did he break from? Alright. But yeah, this progress I'll be working on again part of this evening. It's come together. It is come together more. That closes too. Where did this piece come from? Yeah.